Hi Monique,
Hi Bissot, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate rice with egg and vegetable. What about you?
I had bread, milk, and a banana.
That sounds very healthy.
My mom says breakfast gives us energy for school.
That's true. What do you eat for lunch?
I usually eat rice, chicken, and some soup.
I like soup too. It keeps us strong.
Yes, I always eat fruit and vegetables.
Me too. My favorite fruit are mango and orange.
I like apples and bananas. Fruits help us stay healthy.
Yes, fruit and vegetable have many vitamins.
What is your balanced diet, Monique?
A balanced diet means eating food from all groups: rice, meat, vegetable, fruit, and milk.
Oh, I see. Rice gives us energy and meat gives us protein.
And milk gives us a calcium for strong bone and teeth.
We should not eat too much junk food, right?
Yes, too much candy, chips, and soda are bad for our health.
We can eat them sometimes, but not every day.
That's true. We should drink a lot of water every day.
My teacher says we need 6 to 8 glasses of water a day.
Water keeps us stay clean and fresh.
We should also do exercise to stay healthy.
We can ride a bike, play football, and run.
Healthy food and exercise helps us grow strong.
And they make us happy too.
Let's eat healthy food every day.
A healthy diet keeps us strong, smart, and happy.
Thank you, Monique.
You are welcome.